Today, I'm going to show you how to create and customize charts in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Charts are a great way to turn plain data into something visual, clear, and professional. Whether you're working on a report, a presentation handout, a school project, or a business document. And the best part is, Word makes it simple to insert a chart and edit the data right inside your file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and place your cursor exactly where you want the chart to appear in your document. This is important because Word will insert the chart right at that location. Once your cursor is in the right spot, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the ribbon, look for the Illustrations group and click Chart. When you do that, Word will open a chart selection window with different chart styles to choose from. Now you'll see a list of chart types such as column, line, pie, bar, and area, and more. Choose the one that best fits the kind of information you want to show. For example, a column chart is great for comparing categories, a line chart works well for trends over time, and a pie chart is useful for showing percentages or parts of a whole. Once you've selected the chart type, click OK to insert it into your document. After you click OK, Microsoft Word will automatically open a small embedded Excel window with sample data. This is where you customize your chart. You'll notice placeholder labels and example numbers already filled in. All you need to do is click into the cells and replace the sample information with your own data. As you type, the chart in Word updates automatically, so you can see your changes taking effect right away. Take your time here and make sure your rows and columns match the story you want your chart to tell. You can rename categories, change values, add more rows, or remove anything you don't need. If your chart doesn't look right, it usually means the data needs to be adjusted, so double check your labels and numbers before moving on. This is one of the easiest ways to make your chart look polished and accurate. Once your data is in place, you can close the Excel window to return to your Word document. When you close it, the finalized chart will stay inside your document, ready to use. From there, you can click the chart to select it and begin customizing its appearance even further. Depending on your version of Word, you may see chart design and formatting options that let you change colors, layouts, styles, and labels. If you want the chart to match the rest of your document, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. You can also move it to a better location if needed. This helps you make sure the chart fits cleanly with your text and looks professional on the page. If your chart is too large, reduce the size slightly so it doesn't overpower the rest of the content. If it's too small, increase it so the data is easier to read. Another helpful tip is to keep your chart simple. Don't overload it with too many categories or too much data, because that can make it confusing. Instead, focus on the key information you want your reader to understand at a glance. A clean chart with clear labels is almost always more effective than a crowded one. You can also adjust the title or add data labels if your version of Word supports them, which can make the chart even easier to read. So, in just a few steps, you've learned how to create and customize charts in Microsoft Word. Insert the chart from the Insert tab, choose the chart type, replace the sample Excel data with your own, and then close the editor to place the finished chart in your document. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your work looks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.